These soft, melt-in-your-mouth Japanese chocolates are the most indulgent dessert. They're easy to make, and you'll only need 5 ingredients. Let's make Nama chocolate. First, line your 8-inch square baking pan with parchment paper. Place the chocolate chips in a large heat-proof mixing bowl. In a large saucepan, add the heavy cream and butter and heat until it starts to steam significantly, about 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the hot cream mixture over the chocolate and let the chocolate sit for 5 minutes. Add the dark rum and stir with a rubber spatula until fully combined. Pour the melted chocolate into the lined pan. Spread evenly to keep the surface smooth and pop any air bubbles with a toothpick. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Release the chocolate from the pan. Use a ruler to measure out even squares. For clean cuts, dip the knife in hot water, then dry it off between each cut. Dust the sliced chocolates with cocoa powder and enjoy!